Are there any online tools or websites that can help me remove video blur from my videos?
Hello, video enthusiasts. Today, we're going to address a common issue that many of us often encounter when recording videos: blur. Blur can be caused by various reasons, such as camera shakes, misfocus, or motion. But don't worry. There are several online tools and websites that can help you remove this unwanted blur from your videos. So, let's dive in.
What causes video blur?
Before we dive into the solutions, it's important to understand why your video might appear blurry. Video blur can be a result of 1. Camera shake. If the camera isn't held steady while recording, the result can be a shaky or blurry video. 2. Misfocus. This happens when the camera focus is set incorrectly. 3. Motion blur. This occurs when the subject of the video or the camera moves quickly. Understanding the cause of the blur can be helpful as it allows you to select the most appropriate tool and method to fix it.
Are there online tools to fix video blur?
Yes, there are. Various online tools can help you fix the blur in your videos. Many of these tools use advanced algorithms to enhance the sharpness and clarity of your videos. However, it's important to remember that while these tools can improve your video quality, they can't always fully restore a severely blurred video. The final result can vary depending on the severity of the blur and the quality of the original video.
What are the steps to remove video blur?
Here are the general steps you can follow to remove video blur using online tools. 1. Upload your video. Most online tools require you to upload the video you want to fix. Some platforms allow you to drag and drop the file directly into the tool. 2. Select the deblur option. Once the video is uploaded, look for the deblur or sharpen feature in the tool. This option will apply an algorithm to reduce the blur in your video. 3. Adjust the settings. Some tools offer adjustable settings, allowing you to control the degree of sharpening applied to your video. 4. Preview and save. After applying the changes, preview your video. If you're satisfied with the result, save your video and download it. So, there you have it. With the help of online tools, you can remove or reduce blur from your videos, enhancing their clarity and overall quality. Keep in mind that while these tools can improve the quality of a blurry video, the best solution is always to prevent blur from happening in the first place. Invest in a good tripod, learn about proper camera focusing techniques, and if possible, apply image stabilization techniques while filming. We hope you found this guide helpful. Happy filming, everyone!